Filing a claim with Endurance is simple, and when an unexpected breakdown happens, we help make the next steps as stress-free as possible. Choose any licensed repair shop or find one through our VIP repair network at endurancewarranty.com/repair. If you need a tow, 24/7 roadside assistance is included with every Endurance plan. At the shop, present your Endurance contract to your service provider to begin your claim. You can find your contract details in the Endurance customer portal. Your mechanic will diagnose the issue, then contact us to submit the claim and obtain authorization. Many claims can be approved the same day they're submitted, and our claims team works directly with the repair shop to help keep the process moving quickly. To make claims even simpler, Endurance pays the repair shop directly for covered repairs. The only thing you'll be responsible for is your deductible, which you can pay to the repair shop when you pick up your vehicle. As the direct administrator of our plans, Endurance is here to help guide you through the claims process so you can get back on the road. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.